going on? So I took X here with video after probably a long time, yeah, I'll say. So today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be unboxing the Airpods that came out actually this year in 2019. So these are the second version. It's not really a major upgrade, they're still the same color and they've still got the same sound quality, but after I've unboxed it I'll explain the minor differences. So before we get to it, basically here's the back. They've changed for the second version, they've changed the image of the AirPods, so it looks more like this now. Even when you buy it online from like when you buy it online from like Amazon or the Apple shop, they actually present it like this, so it's easier to differ from the 2016 version and the 2019 version. So this is for the 2019 version. So let's get unboxing. By the way, I've actually unboxed these before, but I've actually repacked it so that I could unbox it for you guys to have an idea of the unboxing experience. So let's get to it. It's very satisfying when you open this. So basically here you've got your design by Apple in California, typical Apple. Then you've got basically your welcome pack with your AirPods, you know, demonstration on how to use them. You got your instruction manual. Talks about your warranty, etc. And yeah, I wish they gave Apple stickers actually. Usually they give Apple stickers with the Apple products, but yeah. So let's get to the AirPods. Let me just put these back. So yeah. So here we've got the AirPods in all its glory. They're packed in this nice seal. You can get them out. Yeah, they're packed in this nice seal. They're the same like the 2016 ones. Yeah, so new address. They've changed their headquarters. Apple actually, they're based in Cupertino now, in California. They used to be in the Infinite Loop, but now they've changed it. So yeah, basically if you unwrap it, here are the AirPods. Nothing different to the 2016 ones. So the one major difference between these ones and the 2016 AirPods is that the 2016 AirPods contain the W1 chip and this has the H1 chip, so there is improved pairing between the AirPods and your iPhone, your iMac or Mac or any device, because you not only can use these with iOS, you can use these with Android. The only disadvantage of using these with Android is that you won't benefit from the capabilities of it, such as, you know, the Hey Siri function, which is actually the difference. Another difference is that in the 2016 AirPods, the 2019 AirPods, there is different methods of activating Siri. In the 2016 AirPods, you had to double tap on the AirPods to activate Siri. Now, on the 2019 AirPods, you can just say Hey Siri and then Siri gets activated. It's more convenient, I suppose, yeah. And basically that's pretty much most of the differences. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I mean, there's nothing else to say about this unboxing now, apart from the fact that there's a lightning cable. So I mean, I wish they did give a plug with this, because that would mean that it charged quicker. Now you have to buy your own plug. But anyways, that's pretty much it, to be honest. I mean, thank you very much. Make sure you like and subscribe, leave any suggestions. We're a new channel. We will be taking a good start. We will be taking a good start now. I'm sorry that I didn't upload the past year. I was very busy, you know, in my academic life. But yes, please make sure to leave any comments and suggestions for anything you want me to talk about. I'm gonna predict that for the future videos, I'm gonna be talking more about iOS 13 and the iPhone 11, because we've got about 2 months left till autumn, and that's basically when the big event happens. The big Apple event happens, and in the big Apple event they announce like flagship products such as iPhone 11, Apple Series 5, which could come out, may not come out. But anyways, I'll be talking about those in my next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Leave any suggestions in the comment section. Thank you very much, everyone. This is the iTechX Nation. Peace out.